Alrighty, I'm going to be trying this Dave's Killer Amped Up, Dave's Killer Bread Amped Up Organic Protein Bars. This here is a blueberry almond butter, 10 grams of protein. Where's the information? 240 calories per bar, and there's 4 servings per box. I'm not a big fan of, I'd say 98% of the protein bars I've tried. So we'll see what happens with this one. Smells like a baked good. And I can smell the blueberry right off the bat as well. Smells okay. There's how it looks on the back side. Here's how it looks on the front side. Alright. It's dense. I'm getting the blueberry still. And a little bit of the almond butter.
Hush.
And a sassy chihuahua. I'm getting some of that as well. I don't know, out of 5 stars probably for this. I give it a 4. It's not bad. It's not sweet, but it's also not bitter. Just tastes like a oatmeal-y kind of a bar. Here, you try it. I would get this.
It's so big, you took little bites.
I would get this again. I'll recommend it to others.
Yeah, it's like an oatmeal.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. You can definitely taste the blueberry. And you get a hint of the almond butter, but it's not overpowering.
No, and it's not hard. It's nice and
Soft
chewy,
and chewy.
soft.
So if you've ever tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not tried this before, do you like protein bars in general? The ones that you've tried, if you have, do you like them? And if you haven't tried any, this might be a good one to start with if you wanted to try one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.